Without an accurate real-time record of air filter usage and performance, facilities end up spending far more time, money, and energy on maintenance while potentially exposing occupants to serious air quality risks. In fact, IAQ remains one of the top occupant complaints, requiring facility managers to dedicate significant resources to resolving concerns. With Sensor360, you'll never have to worry about the risk of overrun systems and diminished air quality, or the effect it has on occupants and your facility. Sensor360 is an app-driven HVAC sensor technology platform designed to track filtration system performance in real time based on key specifics, including unit location, pressure drop, energy efficiency, PM levels, and more. With Sensor360, what was once invisible is now visible. Our intuitive user-friendly dashboard enables you to share important data with occupants and facility personnel to clearly communicate filtration system performance, thereby reducing complaints and reactive time. Gain never-before-seen insight into your air filtration system and improve occupant satisfaction with Sensor360.